In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to Circle. So, integrating Stripe into your Circle. So, Platform is a great way to handle transactions smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're setting up for the first time or looking to enhance your payment processing, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is where you manage all the intricate details of your community and project settings. So make sure you've got your credentials handy. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to your profile photo, typically found in the upper corner. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to Settings and then click on Payments. This section is crucial as it houses all payment-related configurations for your Circle.so account. Once you're within the payment settings, scroll down until you find the Stripe section. Here, you'll see an option to connect Stripe. Clicking this will start the Stripe connection process. If you already have a Stripe account, you can go ahead and log in using your existing details. But if you haven't created a Stripe account yet, now is the perfect time to do so. The setup process in Stripe is straightforward, focusing on entering your business details to facilitate secure and efficient transactions. Once logged into your Stripe account, you'll see a prompt to authorize the connection between your Stripe account and Circle. So, this is a pivotal step. By clicking Authorize or Connect, you're giving permission for Stripe to handle payments within your Circle. So, platform. After the authorization process, circle back to your Circle.so settings. You should now see a confirmation that reads Stripe Connected under the Payments section, indicating that the two platforms are linked successfully. This connection ensures that all your transactional data is seamlessly processed through Stripe, providing both security and convenience. Now, we've reached an optional but valuable step, creating paid plans. If your goal is to monetize your Circle.so content, consider setting up paid plans. For this, you'll need to go back to the Payments section. Click on Plans and then select Create Plan. Here, you will enter specific details about your plan, including the name, price, and the level of access it provides. Once you've entered all necessary details, don't forget to hit Save. These plans will determine the structure of access and payment for your community members. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on adding Stripe to Circle. So, this integration not only streamlines your payment processes, but also enhances the overall experience for members engaging with your content. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any step as needed and enjoy the benefits of a more organized and professional payment system on Circle.